Hi, this is JY, and this is my Sprout Up journey.
The farmers from my home province in Batangas inspired me to pursue the field of agriculture. I have witnessed how challenging it is to cultivate crops and monitor their growth until harvesting. And after all the hard work, they were left with income that is so little, it couldn't even pay for their family's own meals. It was a saddening realization that the hands that bring food to our plates have nothing of their own. Then I learned about biotechnology. It is the advanced technologies that can help improve the quality of crops in various ethical ways. I was fascinated by it. And at that moment, I understood that it is my calling to serve the marginalized community of our local farmers in the battle for food security. That is the beginning of my journey. And here at the university, I get to experience life in the field. I get to plant crops, harvest their crops, study the soil, and understand the process of green life. It also includes assessing farm animals, doing practices in the farm, holding apparatus used in management, and even catching a calf using a lasso. There are endless possibilities and encounters a person can have in the field. That's why agriculture is not enclosed in rice or corn planting. It is a whole world of lives in various forms. What makes it more exciting is they are living and breathing. It feels like a parent tending to its young. That's why I know I am in the right place, following the right path, where I can be the person of my dream.
I believe that agriculture will receive the recognition and support from the society it feeds. Together, let us sprout up. This is JY para sa Bayan Agham at Agrikultura.